I decided to test the Ysense app to see whether it's a real opportunity to make extra cash online or just another waste of time. Ysense is a get paid to site that offers multiple ways to make money online, from surveys, offers and games to referrals. In this video, I will break down every earning option step by step, show you real examples and explain whether it's worth your time. Let's get started. First, let's talk about surveys. This is the most common way to earn on Ysense. For example, here is one survey that pays 43 cents for about 15 minutes of your time. On paper that looks fine, but let's break it down. If you complete 4 surveys like this in an hour, that's roughly $1.72. Not a lot, but better than nothing if you are doing it in your spare time. Now here is the catch. You won't qualify for every survey. In fact, sometimes you will spend a few minutes answering screening questions only to be disqualified. That can get frustrating. The good part is, Ysense usually shows you the estimated time and the payout upfront, so you can decide whether it's worth attempting. So overall, surveys can give you consistent, small earnings, but it's not going to be fast money. Think of it as something to do while watching TV or listening to music, not a serious income stream. Now let's look at offers. This is where things get interesting, because the payouts can be much higher. Ysense might show a $30 Coinbase offer. All you have to do is download the Coinbase app, create an account, deposit just $2 and boom, you get a $30 reward credited to your Ysense account. That's a huge return for a small task. Other offers include signing up for subscription trials, testing apps, or even filling out product feedback. Some pay a few cents, others can pay $20 to $40. The downside, many of these offers come with strings attached. Some require credit card details, some ask for personal info, and others only pay if you meet all the conditions, like making a purchase or reaching a certain milestone. So you have to be careful. If you are selective and only do the legit ones, offers can actually be the fastest way to make money on Ysense. Another option Ysense gives you is earning by playing games. Let's see how it works. Here is one example. A game claims you can earn up to $6.80. At first that sounds amazing, but when you dig deeper, here is the actual breakdown. Reach level 5, earn 1 cent. Reach level 70, earn 10 cents. Complete all levels. Sometimes require in-app purchases. Then you get the full $6.80 payout. So while it's possible to make money through games, the reality is, and sometimes spending money to reach those payouts, unless you are already playing for fun. The earnings are pretty low compared to the time invested. Still, it's another option for people who enjoy mobile games anyway. Now let's talk about one of the best parts of the Ysense, referrals. You can earn money in 2 ways through the referral system. When someone signs up using your referral link, you get 10 to 30 cents. Plus, if they earn their first $5, you get an extra $2 bonus. You also earn 10% off whatever your referrals make from surveys and offers for life. This means if you refer 50 friends and each earn $20 a month, you will make $100 passively without lifting a finger. Of course, it's not easy to recruit people, but if you have social media, a blog, or even friends interested in side hustles, this is where the real potential lies. For long-term users, referral can make a huge difference. So how do you actually get your money? Ysense offers multiple payout methods including PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, and gift cards like Amazon. The minimum cash out for PayPal is $5, which is fairly low and achievable within a week or two of consistent use. Payments are usually processed quickly and many users report reliable payouts. This is a major reason why people trusted Ysense compared to lesser known GPT sites. Now let's quickly summarize the pros and cons of Ysense. These are the pros. Legit and has been around for years. Multiple earning options, surveys, offers, games, referrals, high value offers like Coinbase can pay really well, reliable cash out through PayPal and gift cards, low payout threshold compared to the other platforms. These are the cons. Surveys pay low and often disqualify you. Some offers require purchases or credit card details. Games took way too long for small rewards. Income potential is limited. This won't replace a job. In a nutshell, Ysense is legit. It pays out and it's a decent way to make extra pocket money online. Surveys and games won't earn you much, but the offers and referrals can add up if you use them wisely. If you want quick cash, Ysense isn't the fastest, but if you are patient and consistent, it can give you reliable extra earnings every month.